Hi, this is Jyoti and you are in my little treat corner. This scrambled eggs recipe is inspired by a dish my husband described to me after eating it at a friend's place. This is very different from any other scrambled eggs I have eaten before, so I am sharing the recipe with you all. For this dish, I am going to use 3 onions that I am going to slice in this way, 3 tomatoes that I am also going to slice in the same way, 5 chilies that I am going to slit halfway through, a bunch of coriander leaves that I am going to finely chop, 6 sausages that I am going to slice diagonally, and finally 6 eggs that I am going to gently beat and keep aside. To make the scrambled eggs, I am going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet. Once the oil is hot, I am going to add the onions and saute till they are a little soft. I am going to add the green chilies now and saute till the onions are light golden in color. You can see that wonderful slightly brown, slightly golden color to the onions. So now I am going to add the tomatoes. I am going to saute this till the tomatoes are a little soft. Then add the sausages. Saute for a bit. And then add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to mix this in. Add the eggs and cook till the eggs are almost cooked. This is nearly done, so I'm going to quickly switch off the heat and continue sauteing it for a bit because the eggs will continue cooking. Okay, we have the right consistency, so I'm just going to mix in the coriander leaves. And our scrambled eggs with sausages are done. These scrambled eggs go best with bread and parathas. I've never tried it with rice, but I expect it will go well with it too. Please leave a comment on what other recipes you'd like us to share with you. And please keep in touch. We'll see you in the next video.